Hey guys, this is Usman. Today our topic is SQL Server and how to connect C# to SQL Server. We will be using edu.net so let's get started. Visual Studio 2017. Yep, let's open it. And we will gonna use SQL connection, SQL command, and the reader, the pure edu.net way to connect SQL Server and fetch data. So guys, I already have created the Tech and Talk solution, so I will try to put all coming sessions code inside that solution, and we'll try to share this solution on GitHub so that you guys can fork and enjoy the code. So add new project. So for SQL connection and edu.net, I will gonna use Windows Form because the UI perspective we can show data easily on visual UI components. So I will name it SQL connection edu. Okay, that's it. So let's browse, give it a location, SQL Server edu session. Let's see. Okay, so framework is 4.6.1. okay. So it will create the Windows Form project for us, and this is the default template. This is how it looks like. Let's just drag the button here and just double click it, and it just created the default event implementation, the backend code. So let's start our code to connect to SQL Server. First string will be connection string is equal to data, so is equal to localhost, and shell catalog is equal to tech and talk db, and user id is SA, and password is equal to root. Yeah, that's it. So this is our connection string. Next thing is SQL connection on is equal to new SQL connection, and intelligence, just go with using. So SQL connection objects take the connection string as parameter, the constructor of SQL connection object. So our next thing is our SQL command. Com is equal to new SQL command, and in SQL command, first parameter is query, second is parameter is connection. Let's just write a query over here. String query is equal to select static from users. Let's say user is our table, so we put that query inside that SQL command. Okay, next thing is, connection must be open. Dot open, so that we can communicate with data through this connection. Next thing is command dot execute reader. And its type is SQL data reader. The reader is equal to reader, and we're gonna iterate that reader till it has no records remaining. So we're gonna use reader dot read. Read is a method that advances to the next till the next record. So sorry, it's not if, it should be while. Means while reader has record, we are saying that if till reader has a record, keep iterating on those records, and we will message box dot show. We're gonna populate that records in our message box. So let's say we have two properties in our user table. One is ID and second one is username. So let's say user ID is concatenate here reader dot read, sorry, cat value at 0 index plus concatenate, and its name is concatenate reader dot get value at first index. So that's it, I think. The DB part is remaining, so we haven't have any database with name talk DB, so let's create. I am using navigate client, so because it's simple and it's allow me to connect these kind of databases, so I already have a SQL server connection here. Let me create a new database with this name. Just ignore this one, and if we refresh, we have the talk DB just right here. So let's create a table. First property is ID and nope, and it's a key. Let's say it's identity, so that automatically increment, and another field name, of type varchar. Let's say max. We are not giving any optimized solution right now. So when we save, let's name it users, click OK. Yep. So just insert, let's say my name is Usman. Yep, that's it. We have a one record. So just giving a final look to my connection string, let's start from user. Yep, that's it. Let's run this program. It's building. Okay, this is how it looks. Let's add a breakpoint here so that we can debug each step. Oops, I haven't run the application in debug mode, so that's why I'm straightforward given the record. The user ID is 1 and its name is Usman. So that's it, guys. I guess this is the simplest way to, not the optimized way, but this is the simplest way to connect to SQL Server from C#. So another thing is, it doesn't matter which kind of project you are using, is that Windows Form or web application or console application, this code will remain same. So I will plan to create a session on how to optimize your code, and I will try to use the same scenario, the same example for our case study. So we will optimize this code step by step. So that's, guys, take care, bye bye.